Hi, Professor Lydia Rogers here to do a tutorial on how to post your URL web address for your blog post for your homework into Blackboard. Each week there's two parts, the class discussion and the homework. A previous tutorial focused on the class discussion. This one focuses on the homework. So once again, we start with Blackboard. Go over to the left side of your screen and click on Weekly Classes. We're going to use week 1 as our example, so click on week 1 and notice on the left your table of contents. The first item is the class discussion, the second item is your weekly homework, and the third item, if there is one, is any how-tos that I thought might be helpful as you did your homework. So we click on the homework, the second item, which for week 1 is how to spell check. It's also where you declare your topic for the semester. The details on what you're going to write are right here, but first you need to write your blog post once you've read the instructions here on what you want to do. So next, head over to your personal blog post. Everybody has their own blog website. Make sure you're working on yours for the homework. Now here's a helpful hint for you to know whether you are in your homework personal blog website. It will start with SP followed by a number. SP as in student post. So student post, SP, and followed by a number, followed by edublogs.org. If your website does not have SP in the beginning, you are not in your homework blog post. And feel free to email me with any questions, lcrogers@ccri.edu. You'll also see your name at the top of the blog, and if you have already posted your first URL into Blackboard, in this area here, your topic will show up. So you go to your blog post, which starts with SP as in student post. If you have not yet signed in, you'll notice in the top left, you're going to see EduBlogs Log In. So go there and log in. Most likely, your system will check your browser before accessing EduBlogs. Now, your email address is your CCRI email address. Add your password. Not sure what your password is? Just click on Lost Your Password. And so, email from CCRI in here, password here. If you're not sure of your password, click on Lost Your Password. Now, once you're logged in, under your name, you'll find Dashboard. That's where you want to go. Click on Dashboard. Now your screen will look something like this. You can see it says Dashboard up top here. And now you want to go down to Posts. If you click on All Posts, it'll show you all the posts you've created so far this semester. In this case, we want Add New. So click on Add New. And now you have a blank area to create your first blog post or your newest blog post. So enter the title here. So we'll say, here is my title. And now here's where you add your text. And you add your text here, my research, also spelling counts, remember, my research shows, and then you put your research in. Once you've typed what you want to, go over here and you can either save a draft if you want to come back and reread it before you post it. So here's how you save a draft. And if you are ready to go, you can click on Publish. So you can, and also by the way, if you want to see what it's going to look like ahead of time, click on Preview. So let's click on Publish. All set. Now, where's the URL that you are going to enter into Blackboard? It is right here. See how it starts with SP as in student post? So what you do is you highlight this URL web address. This is what you highlight. Now, what if you forget to highlight it and you need to come back to it later? If you've forgotten to get your URL, no problem. Go to your blog. Go up top here where it's got the URL web address, copy, or rather highlight, and then copy it. Now we will be putting it into Blackboard. So we come back to Blackboard. Here we are. Here is where we are going to upload the assignment. So scroll down until you get where it says Write Submission. So here we go, Write Submission. Click on Write Submission, and now the box appears. Click in your box, paste the URL. Here we go, there's the URL. Come up here and click on Submit. That's it, you're done. You have now added the URL web address for your homework blog post. Once again, if you have any questions, email me at lcrogers@ccri.edu.